Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat at sana okay kayong lahat guys! And once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome sa ating video for today. At our video for today is tayo ay gagawa ng fishball sauce guys! Ayan, kasi napag-usapan na magkakapatid na magmimerienda kami. Ang gusto nila ay lumabas and nasabi ko magluluto na lang tayo, total ma-stock tayo sa rep. Kaya ayan, gumawa ako ng simpleng sauce lang ng fishball na siguradong magugustuhan nyo guys. At siguradong napakadali lang lutuin nito guys. And siguradong magugustuhan nyo at sa kusina lang ang ating mga ingredients na kakailanganin dito sa ating special sauce na ating fishball. And sana magustuhan nyo guys. And once again, welcome sa ating video for today and welcome sa ating YouTube channel guys. At syempre kung bago ka sa channel na to, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and pakiclick mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga video na ginagawa. Ito na nga ang ating ingredients sa ating fishball sauce na napakadali lang guys. At dito na nga, naghanda na ako dito ng bawang, sibuyas at sili. At syempre ang ating all-purpose flour, ang ating brown sugar. And gumamit din ako dito ng soy sauce, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder guys. Ang ginamit ko sa ating sauce fishball. And syempre, handa na natin ang ating paglulutuan. Ayan, syempre ang ating water, kailangan din natin yan. And dito sa aking lutuan guys, ilalagay ko na ang tubig at paghahaluin natin lahat, ang ating lahat ng mga sangkap natin sa fishball sauce. And pag nahalo na natin siya, isasalang na natin siya sa kalan ng very light lang or very low lang na apoy guys, para hindi masunog ang ating sauce.
You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off, so flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete.
And there you have it guys. Once na complete na ang ating mga ingredients, ayan, paghahalu-haluin na natin lahat yan bago natin ilagay sa kalan or isalang sa kalan. Yan, once na ready na and complete na yan guys, syempre sasalang natin yan sa ating kalan. Pero wag natin siyang iiwanan ng basta-basta. Kailangan habang nakasalang siya sa ating kalan, ayan, bantayan lang natin siya at patuloy natin siyang haluin guys para gumanda ang texture ng ating sauce and hindi masunog ang ating flour. And once ready na ang ating sauce guys, ayan, isalang na natin siya sa ating kalan sa very low lang na apoy guys para hindi nga masunog ang ating sauce. Ayan. And syempre, halu-haluin lang natin siya hanggang sa uminit ang ating sauce, hanggang sa maluto ang ating flour. Then, after that, na maluto siya, isi-set aside na natin siya at ipiprepare natin ang ating mga tusok-tusok guys, kumbaga tawagin ang ating mga street foods na pagkain na paborito natin kinakain tuwing tayo ay lumalabas. Paboritong merienda ng lahat. Ayan, bumili ako ng ganyan guys kasi kesa naman lumabas pa kami. Ayan, bumili ako nito dahil nagki-crave talaga kami sa street foods guys. Ayan, mas maganda bumili ka na lang ng ganito. Marami pa kayong makakakain sa bahay. At syempre less gastos na rin, diba? At masayang kumain sa bahay na sama-sama kayo at lahat makakakain. And ayan na nga, halo-haloy natin ulit ang ating sauce. And charan! Yan na ang ating texture ng ating sauce. Kailangan lang ng lumapot yan guys. Para lumapot yan, palamigin natin ng konti ang ating sauce. Ayan. And ready na yan. After that, magluluto muna tayo ng ating mga fish balls. Kikiam. Ayan. Lulutuin muna natin bago natin isaw-saw sa ating sauce. Ayan. Para lumamig pa ang ating sauce bago natin siya kainin. At kung gusto nyo magbenta ng fishbowl guys or any tusok-tusok sa tabi-tabi, ayan, pwede nyong gamitin tong sauce na to, napakadali lang. At pwede nyong dagdagan ng sili yan guys kung gusto nyo ng manghang. And pwede din dagdagan ng asukal kung gusto nyo ng sweet sauce. And charan, ayan na ang ating fishbowl sauce. Luto na siya guys. At i-ready na natin ang ating lulutuin para makasawsaw na tayo ng ating sauce na ginawa. And luto na natin ang ating mga fishbowl, lahat ng ating pang-tusok-tusok na pang merienda guys. Ayan. Hintay lang natin uminit ang mantika para ma-ready na natin lahat.
We don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by and take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying on? It's sleeping on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world turn to Sunday? When nobody's waiting on a call. And
ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, kumain na tayo at luto na ang ating pinakahihintay na merienda, guys. Ang ating tusok-tusok. And syempre, kasama na dyan ang kwentuhan. And ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, kumain na tayo, guys. And syempre, kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and pakiclick na rin ang notification bell para lagi ka updated sa aking mga bagong video na ina-upload at ma-notify ka every time na may bago akong upload na video, guys. And once again, thank you so much, guys. And God bless everyone and have a nice day. Bye, everyone. Thank you for the love and the support, guys. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.